Okay. See, just now for the water demand calculation, we have seen people method, fixture method. Okay. Now, third one will be the lead method. Okay. So,
Lead.
if you go to the lead chart, okay, there is a lead guideline available. So, the same thing also in IPC standard. Okay. So, if you go to this particular one, can you see the lavatory private 2.2 gallon per minute, right? So, this is the
Okay.
values 2.2 gallon per minute. So, this is the value we have to use. You can able
Okay.
to consume 2.2 gallon water per minute for the lavatory. Okay, not
Okay.
more than that. This is as per the lead. Okay, if you are going
Mm.
for public 0.25 gallon per metering cycle, then if you are going for lavatory public other than metering 0.5 gallon per meter. Okay, then there is a
Okay.
shower head 2.5 gallon per meter beneath. Then for sink facade 2.2 gallon per minute. Okay, urinal 1 gallon per flush. If you are going to use one flush, you can able to use 1 gallon, and also water
Ah,
closet you can able to use 1.6 gallon per flush. Clear, right?
okay.
So if you go to lead, also they have given the same thing. You can able to see here. Okay, if it is a shower head, you can use 2.5 gallon per minute. Kitchen facade 2.2 gallon per
Okay.
minute. Public facade 0.5 gallon per minute. Okay, so the same value what we did, we have entered the value in the same chart here. You can able to see 6 gallon per minute, right? So this is the value is given here. If I go to unhide, anyway, there are different type of charts are there. Okay, now if you go to lead method, the same value here we have given here in baseline. Okay, so this is like
Mm.
you have a 6 uh, for the toilet, how much it is? 1.6 gallon per flush.
Okay.
Okay, so that conversion is given here. Okay, so this I will explain you in separately. So this all the baseline is entered here in as a value. Okay, for 1
Mm.
seconds, this is actually seconds, right? So this is one we
Mm.
converted into whatever the values we just converted from as a gallon to liter. Okay, basically we just converted that value here. Okay, so that is
Mm.
the baseline value as per the lead. Okay, this I will explain you separately how this value came. Clear, right? Okay, so then
Mm.
this is the daily number of daily usage. Okay, and then there is a duration here. Okay, then there is a baseline value, then there is a total consumption. Okay, so here what you are
Mm.
going to calculate based on the number of employees. Okay, if you go to lead, they will say that based on the number of employees. Okay, you can say that there is a full-time employee and there is a visitors. Okay, if you go and see the lead document, they used to calculate based on full-time employees, right? The water use reduction calculation depends upon the number of FTEs. FTE means full-time employees. Okay,
Mm.
full-time
Okay.
employee means there are people who is working more than 40 hours per week. Okay, they are
Ah,
considering as a employee. Okay, and whatever you say the visitors, they will be considering as a 10 percentage or 20 percentage. Okay, of the
okay.
total employee. Okay, say for example, if I have 80 people, then I can expect a 20 percentage of visitors to meet
Okay.
80 people. Okay, so that is the way this is the full-time employee and visitors. Okay, now if you calculate here, you can able to calculate how many people employ 80 employees, right? And plus
Mm.
10 percentage of visitors will be using my toilets, my utility, my fixtures, right? It is not that
Okay.
all the visitors will be visiting. Okay, maybe I can say I can consider 10 percentage or I can put 20 percentage, whatever it is, right? So this is my
Mm.
daily usage. Okay, clear, right? And the
Okay.
duration, each duration, say for example, if I have a WC, okay, I'll be using it for one flush, right? One flush. Okay, so that one I'm converting from second. Okay, actually this is not second, this is actually one flush. Okay, and I will be using six values. Okay, clear, right? So when I convert from this value, I can able to calculate my total baseline value plus duration or flush. This is maybe seconds or flush. Okay, then multiply by total number of people, I will get the total daily requirement, daily consumption. Clear, right? So then after that, I will be able to calculate for urinal. Similarly,
Mm.
how many number of people urinal. say for example, maybe WC, the people will be using only one time, okay, but for urinal, maybe 2 times or 3 times. I can change whatever the values, okay, in per day. How many times they use the urinal, okay? How many times they use the public facade? Maybe 4 times or 3 times. I can able to calculate. I can able to change the values here, right? And if it is a facade, 3 times or 4 times, okay. Shower head, maybe 80 people. My full time employee only they will use the shower, not the visitors, right? So only full time employees, okay. So this value will be based on the different types of application. Say for example, if it is office areas, maybe you can able to do the calculation based on that, okay. So this full time employees are considering as a like workshops, okay, or maybe some industrial application, okay, who is using the shower, right? Say for example, if you see the shower head, only 10% of full time employee will use the shower, not all the employees, okay. Kitchen facade, everyone will use it. Bip tap, everyone will use it, okay. Clear, right? For ablution, everyone will use it, including 10% of visitors or 5% of visitors. They will be using 0.5% of visitors. They are using the ablutions, right? Visitors plus full-time employees. So this is the daily usage, okay. And how many duration or how many flush I can enter here values, okay. Then this is the baseline values, okay. So based on that, I can able to multiply by all the values. Then I will get the total consumption in liter per day. Clear, right? So this is my total demand. Okay. Okay.